Hello traders, I'm back here with my best Forex intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 16th of April, Blessing Friday 2021, and let me share with you guys how I analyze my market today. Alright, so just quickly recap guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside with a 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. If you would like to know how I trade and provide live Forex coaching and training through this platform, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair. I'm just going to share with you guys today's new updates. My technical team are still working on it. We haven't finished it, but I can show you the new updates. As you can see before, when I was, the look and feel of the pair was like that. So if you can click on 4-hour and you can switch to the momentum charts. So what we have done it basically, instead of switching it, we have displayed both our momentum price based chart and 4-hour charts together at the same time. So it's going to be much easier to refine entries and exit in intraday and look at the bigger price action in 4-hour at the same time. So most of the traders find today beautiful and bank beautiful pips. So here you can also do the same as it is like previously. You can analyze market in intraday, and also in high time frame. You can also open a trade here in instant order or pending order and practice here using this tool. All right, so this is the new updates, and that definitely helps all of our traders and bank beautiful pips. Let's back to the today's analysis. Euro USD, if you look at yesterday, the price was at this level, and we were expecting if the price is going to respect, we're going to be taking a pullback long, and that's what exactly we did today. I did analysis to break out of this pattern, and after the breakout, we had a pullback, breakout, pullback, two pullback long trades in Euro USD. And let me share with you that analysis which I did at the London morning session. As you can see here, this was the analysis. Beautiful just before London open, and beautiful breakout, and after the breakout, two pullbacks. So bank beautiful pips on Euro USD. All right, so price right now has developed a double top. We'll see it next week if the price is going to break this previous high or is going to respect. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a beautiful short trade in the morning. I did analysis at the Asian session last night, and we had this breakout short trade, bank beautiful pips, and we have another long trade at the New York session, the breakout of this one, and we had this pullback and bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis of pound dollar. That was a beautiful trade with bank beautiful pips today. And if you look at here, we had both long and short. This was the trade breakout of as soon as the price broke on in 4-hour previous low, and beautiful as soon as the price hit, we banked some profit. As you can see here, this was the analysis I also mentioned last night about this consolidation. We have breakout. Look at the bottom momentum as soon as the price hit to the final target, which is the blue fib channel, and at the resistance support level. So you can see here, beautiful, and that's what we explained to traders to bank some profit. We had such a beautiful short trade. And at the New York session, I'm back here, and I mentioned another triangle pattern, which is look like price has broken the previous high. As you can see here, price nicely broken. After that, we have another beautiful pullback long trade as soon as the price around to hit to the 200 EMA and at the resistance level. That's what we explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. So you can see here we had a beautiful both short and long on pound dollar. Very good trade, beautiful pips. All right, so dollar CAD, we had it yesterday. We were long and banked beautiful profit when the price broke on the previous high. Today we were short here as soon as the price developed double top here. We have taken the short, bank beautiful pips. We have only one trade here. As I mentioned, this pattern breakout as soon as the price broken, as soon as the price hit to the blue fib channel, and that's what I mentioned to my trader to bank some profit because the price was at the support level. And let me share with you that analysis which I did, just to let you know, guys. This is the analysis. As you can see here, that's the analysis last night I did, and I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, this morning price nicely broke on the previous low. Beautiful short trade. As you can see, as soon as the price hit to the Bollinger, to the blue fib channel, which is the support level at the 4-hour, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. You can see yesterday we were long and today we were short based on the intraday analysis. And beautiful trade on dollar CAD. The best trade we had it was in pound yen. Let me share with you guys. We had a beautiful short trade here this morning on cable, short here as soon as the price hit to the support level, and we banked some beautiful pips. Once we see this candle, you know, rejection, bearish rejection, and that's what we explained to trader, look for this breakout, and the target would be around this level. As you can see here, price nicely broken. We had a short trade. Afterwards we had this pullback long, breakout long, and we had all these pullbacks today. Beautiful pips. And I explained to trader, as long as the price is keep respecting, you know, the support level, we should be banking some profit. Let me share with you that analysis on pound yen quickly. Okay guys, so if you look at here, this was the analysis. You can see here, this was the breakout short trade here. I did analysis last night. This explained to my trader, look for this breakout. Beautiful, based on the momentum we were expecting a breakout short. Beautiful. And this morning you can see here, when the price reversed, we had this breakout. As I mentioned you guys, this one, we had this breakout. As explained to my trader, look for as soon as the price gonna break this one. As you can see here, price nicely broken based on the momentum. Of course we were looking along, and as I mentioned here, to look for all pullbacks. 1, 2, after that I did another analysis at the New York session. Guys, we should be keep taking a pullback long as long as the price is going to respect this support trend line. We're only going to take a short if the price gonna break and retest. As you can see, price hasn't broken. Another pullback, another 2 pullbacks. So we had a both short trade, bank profit, look for long, again based on the 4-hour price action, based on the intraday analysis, refine and entries and exit. Top of that, we're providing all this pullback through live audio community, explaining to trader, keep taking this profit. And that's what exactly we do every single day. As you can see, we had such a nice and beautiful pips on pound yen today. Traders Bank, beautiful pips. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As you can see, one of my Traders Bank 110, I think almost 100 pips based on the, all these trades are 100% based on the analysis. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis and all the trade updates in real time with the live audio commentary support, as I said to you guys, my main objective is to train trader with the live market, with the live intraday analysis, and help them with the live market so they can develop their trading skill in real time. That's the only way and the best way you're going to develop trading skill. In other sense, basically you are trading next to me. I can guide you and coach you accordingly, and if you perform very well, I can also arrange funds, trading funds for you guys. All right guys, if you are struggling, you can also develop trading skill alongside with my professional trader, or even if you are experienced trader. As you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm sure you're gonna love banking pips alongside with my professional trader. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend, and stay blessed, and I'll see you next time. All the best.